Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will be doing DIYs for the festival seasons. If you are new or have not subscribed to the channel, request you to please subscribe and hit the notification bell before we jump in. For this first DIY, we need a bangle. It can be new or old. Cover it with any lace. I am using golden gota to wrap it around. Take a piece of cardboard, color it, keep it aside until it gets dry. Take a wire and wrap it around so that it can hold latkan. Decorate it by using flowers, pearls or anything available. These flowers can easily be made by using satin ribbons. Paste bangle on cardboard. For writing text, here I am using Fevicryl 3D Golden Outliner. If you don't have 3D outliner, you can use paint to write text. To fill the gaps, I am pasting stones and mirrors to decorate it further. Here I am using Rakhi as latkan. You can use pom-pom, tassels, anything. Tie this string. At the back, put string. And to give finishing, paste the paper and our first DIY is ready. For the second DIY, using piece of cardboard, taking two pieces of same size. As the thickness of my cardboard was thin, to increase the thickness, pasting them together. Here I am using masking tape. You can use pieces of paper. Paste pieces of paper by using a mixture of glue and water in the ratio of 1:1. Giving texture effect on the board by pasting tissue paper. You can even use toilet papers or any other paper to give texture on this board. Before coloring, make sure that it gets completely dry. Now color it. I am using red and yellow. To make border, I am using pulses. This is tur dal. You can use pearls, mirrors or anything that is available at your home. Write text by using Fevicryl 3D outliner. Make swastik on the lower circle. Decorate with by using stones or mirrors. Color borders with golden and glue a string at the back. For this third DIY, using these terracotta coins on which this swastik is made, I got them from local potter. We can make them by using air dry or terracotta clay. Once the coins are ready, keep them for drying and use it. In place of coins, you can use big mirrors, decorative flowers, etc. Take a gota of 1 meter length. Instead of gota, ribbon can be used. Now paste this clay coin and mirror on equal distance in any pattern. Our decorating strings are ready. Hope you enjoyed these DIYs and I would love if you try any of these DIYs and share your creations with me on my social account. Thanks for watching.